Hello. Today I will do question number 6. Okay, it's just not too bad. Question number 5 was a bit complicated, but this is not difficult. Okay, so there are two parts. Again, we'll start with part A. Part A is find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, you can see that the shaded region has three sections. So the perimeter consists of three sections, which is AC, straight line, plus CB, again a straight line, plus BA. This is a part of a circle. This is an arc. This is straight line. This is straight line. Okay. Now, calculation of AC is easy. AC is part of a triangle AOC. And remember, whenever you have two sides and an angle between them, and you have to find the third side, you can use law of cosine. Okay. So we will use law of cosine to find the length AC. Okay. So you can see that the AC length, it is equal to square root, and OA is 16 squared plus 7.5 squared minus 2 times 16 into 7.5 into cosine of the angle between them, which is 2 pi by 7. So this is the length AC. Then length CB or BC, this is easy to calculate because BC is equal to OB minus OC, and OB is same as OA minus OC. OA is given as 16 centimeter minus OC is given as 7.5 centimeter. So answer is 8.5 centimeter. So this is easy. Now the third part is the AB arc length, right? And remember, how do we find the arc length? Arc length is R into theta, where theta is measured in radians. This is important. Okay, so this is equal to R theta. R is 16 and theta is 2 pi by 7. So this comes out to be 32 pi by 7. Okay, now if I need to find the perimeter, I need to add all these three things. So which is 16 square plus 7.5 square minus 2 times 16 times 7.5 into cosine of 2 pi by 7. So this is one length plus 8.5 and plus 32 pi by 7. Okay. And when I calculated all these things, it comes out to be 35.6135 centimeter. Okay. Now let's do part B. Let me change the color. Part B is find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Now, how can I find the area of this shaded region? What I will do, area of shaded. This is equal to area of the sector OAB minus area of the triangle which triangle OAC. Okay, so how do I find the area of the triangle? Triangle OAC. How can I find this area? You can see if I can find this altitude, right? Then I know the base, and if I know the altitude, I can find the area. So the area of the triangle is half into base, which is 7.5, into altitude. Now this altitude is going to be 16 times sine of 2 pi by 7. Is it clear or no? I hope I'm not confusing you. Uh, Okay, so this is the area of the triangle. Okay, now how do I find the area? Okay, let me simplify it a little bit. So this is, I can write it as 7.5 into 8 into sine of 2 pi by 7. Okay. Uh, okay. Now, how do I find the area of the sector? Okay. Area of sector OAB. Okay. How do I find the area of a sector? It is half theta r square. Remember, area of a sector, it is half theta into r square. Okay. And theta is again in radian. This is important that this theta is in radians. Okay. So I will do half and the angle is 2 pi by 7 and r square is 16 square. Okay. So now we have everything. So area of the shaded region. Okay. So area of the sector, it is 16 square is 256. 256 pi by 7. Right? 2 will be 2. Okay. And from this, I will subtract the area of the triangle. So triangle area is 7.5 into 8 into sine of 2 pi by 7. So when I do all this calculation, it comes out to be 67.9826 centimeters square. Okay, hope it's clear. The important formulas we use today is law of cosine. Okay, and then how do we find the arc length? And the way we find the altitude. And finally, how do we find the area of a sector? So these are the important formulas we use today. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.